Welcome to Spend Wise Moms. In this video, we'll show you how to make Turkish Simit. Even though you may be on a tight budget, you can make wonderful breads like the bread in this video. The link to the recipe is in the description box below. This bread far exceeded my expectations. The first thing you need to do is to proof your yeast. Put 1½ teaspoons of yeast, 1/4 a teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 a cup of water in a small bowl. Mix it and let it sit for 10 minutes. See how it expanded and is a bit bubbly? Measure 1½ cups of flour and place it in a medium-sized bowl. Make an indentation in the middle of the flour. Pour the yeast mixture into the center of the flour. Mix them together a little bit and then add a teaspoon of salt and 1½ tablespoons of olive oil and add another 6 tablespoons of water and mix them together. Add an extra tablespoon or so of flour only if needed so your dough isn't sticky. Put a little bit of oil in a bowl. Roll your dough all around it and cover the bowl and let it rise for about an hour. In a separate bowl, about cereal size or medium sized, mix 1/3 cup of molasses and 1/3 cup of water. Stir them together, and in a separate bowl about the same size, pour in your sesame seeds. Divide the dough in half and make a long rope with one of the halves. Fold the rope in half and twist it. Form a circle with the twisted rope and pinch the edges to seal it. Dip the twisted circle in the molasses and water mixture, covering both sides. Then dip it into the sesame seed bowl and turn it over and cover the other side as well. Place it on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Make a long rope with the other half of the dough. Fold the rope in half and twist it. Make a circle with the twisted rope and pinch the edges to seal it. Dip it in the molasses mixture and turn it over and dip the other side in. Dip it in the sesame seed bowl. You can see that I ran out of regular sesame seeds, so I just added some black ones that I had. Turn it over and dip the other side in the sesame seeds. Place it on the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper next to the other twisted ring. Let them rise about 20 to 30 minutes. After they're done rising, then preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Your dough will continue to rise for a few minutes while your oven's getting hot. Bake them for 18 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. Place them on a cooling rack and let them cool slightly before eating. Thanks for watching Spend Wise Moms. Hope you enjoyed this video.